Most mechanics are honest, but as is the case with any profession, there are some unscrupulous individuals who will bend the truth to fatten their wallets. Because of these bad actors, many consumers are skeptical about bringing their car to a repair shop. And for a good reason. If your mechanic is dishonest, there are various ways they could be ripping you off, and you'd never even know it. How to avoid being ripped off by your mechanic. Next time you take your car in for a service, remember these tips. Overcharging. If you don't know how much parts are, you're giving the garage a blank check to charge what they like. Tip. Use online repair cost calculator for research before you take your car in so you have a rough idea of what you should be paying. Car jargon. Mechanics might try to confuse a customer with technical language to try to get them to pay for things they don't need. Tip. Be sure to ask them to explain it to you. If they won't, you should be suspicious. Replacement parts. Some garages might play on the fact that drivers don't know much about their car's parts, and sell you a used part or not replace it at all. Tip. Ask to see your old part to make sure they have actually replaced it. Also make sure the part says, new, on the invoice if you bought a new part. Unnecessary repairs. Some mechanics might go ahead and perform additional repairs on top of what the car originally went in for, even if they aren't really needed. Tip. Ask the garage to call you before they do anything on top of the initial work. Automatically changing flat tires. Often a flat tire does need replacing, but not always. If the tire is in good condition and the puncture is just in a tire's tread, then it can sometimes be repaired. Tip. Ask to see the location of the puncture and assess the damage. If it does need replacing, make sure you don't overpay for new rubber, too, by researching prices online.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.